Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I would truly and greatly appreciate it. It's the red button somewhere around here. It's absolutely free. YouTube won't charge you, and I most certainly will not charge you. So please join my family. Let's have fun. Let's enjoy this YouTube right together. So guys, can you tell how excited I am? OMG guys, welcome to day one of my 7 days of Halloween. Yes! So guys, if you have been following my channel for some time, this is a series that I started all the way back in 2016. So I've been doing every October I try to do Halloween looks. So yeah, started in 2016 and this is now 2019, and yeah, we're pushing. To be honest, I didn't really have, when it came to like this year's Halloween, because I've been so busy, I didn't really know what I wanted to do for this year's Halloween looks. But anyways, I got some ideas. I'm going to give to you. But anyways, welcome to day one. So as you all know, day one always starts off with a beautiful skull makeup look. So that's what we're going to do today. I have some ideas in my head, but I don't really know what I'm going to do. But anyways, let's just jump right into the tutorial. I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows off camera. Then I will be right back. I'll do my eyebrows, then one eyeshadow look, and I will come back and finish the rest. So yeah, let's go. Alrighty guys, so starting off the tutorial, I'm just going to prime my eyes as usual. Y'all know the drill. Prime the eyes. I'm using my Snazaro white face paint to prime the eyes. Then I'm going to set that with my loose powder. So now for the eyeshadows, I'm going to be using the shadows from this eyeshadow palette. This is my NYX Avant Pop eyeshadow palette. So as my transition color, I'm just going to be taking this brown shade, just resting that shade just on my crease line. Then to further blend out that brown shade and to add on my crease line, I'm taking this like shimmery purple shade from this Black Opal duo eyeshadow palette. So now once that shadow is blended, taking this, it looks blue on camera, but actually is actually purple, like the shade I just applied now. So I'm just taking that to further blend out those shades. Then for my lid color, I'm taking this really deep blue to apply on my lid. So now once I'm done with that, I'm taking this foiled eyeshadow from Milani and applying the blue all over, the blue foil shadow on top of the blue eyeshadow. Then I'm taking the white and I just put the white like streaks. This kind of, I'm trying to like mimic like midnight sky on my eyes. So the white, I didn't do it too fully, so just doing streaks. Then taking the black eyeshadow from that eyeshadow palette, I now used it as my eyeliner and then popped on some falsies. So that is my eyeshadow look complete. So now entering into the skull part of the makeup. So basically it's easy, or every year I've been doing a skull makeup. So basically it all starts out with an outline. So I'm just outlining, like I'm doing like a half skull, a jaw skull. You guys have seen like the intro. So basically outlining the jaw area. It's always trial and error even though you've done skulls like how many times. Yeah, so basically you just have to draw like skull. You have to follow like your cheekbones. If you have prominent cheekbones, you can follow your cheekbones. If not, just work with a reference picture. Like I was doing both. I was working on my cheekbones and also with a reference picture. So yeah, once the cheekbone is outlined, I'm going to be drawing the nose area of this makeup. Then after the nose area, I'm going to outline the teeth area. Okay, guys, so now going back, I further outlined the top part, or dividing the skull part of my face. Then now I'm going into this Snazaro face paint in black, and I'm just going to everywhere that needs black, like the nose area, the jawbone area, basically everywhere that needs black in it. I'm using the black face paint to outline all that. So now going into my I'm so sorry about all the dogs barking. I don't really understand. Like, I'm just tired. But anyways, going into my face paint palette, I'm taking this blue shade from that face paint palette, and I'm just going to um paint the insides of the jawbone area. The part where it's supposed to be like the negative space, where usually I would paint black, because I'm going for a midnight or a midnight kind of sky, I don't know, universe kind of skull theme. That is why I'm using blue. On a normal day, if I was doing like a normal like skull makeup, where I put blue would all be black. So yeah, anyways, because of the theme, that's why I'm going with this blue. So anyways, applying the blue, then now taking some black eyeshadow from that my NYX palette, I'm just further blending out the blue. Then places that I really want to look like really or places I want to give more depth, like the outward and inner part of my, or the negative space, I'm just adding black into it. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. Okay, guys, so this is what I was going for. That side, I just decided to do it off camera, just to save some time, then replicate what I did on that side for you guys. So anyways, I'm taking my white face paint, and I mixed the white face paint with a little bit of blue, just to create like a pale, like a really really light blue. So I'm just going to quickly apply that on all the top parts, then taking this, like, will I call it a turquoise or sea blue color? I think it's turquoise or sea blue, one of them. I'm just going to like randomly apply that shade, just like spot. Like, I don't want it to be perfect, because when you look at like the midnight sky or like the universe kind of pictures, you see like spots of colors like scattered everywhere. So you see spots of color scattered everywhere. So that's basically what I was trying to do. So I'm going in between the turquoise, blue, going in with purple, going in with pink. So I'm just scattering all these colors inside this shade, even going in with some black to add some like definition and also some shading to this jaw. So now once I'm done with that, because after everything, the outline tends to like disappear with all the going back and forth with different colors and eyeshadows. So I went back in with that black, and I'm just outlining and sharpening all the places that I really want to highlight. So I also did some white into that jawbone area, so it's not so like too dark. So now I drew some, like, I did this off camera, but I just drew some outline of teeth inside that space. So yeah, then now I'm just applying the like stars into the hollow, or that space. So now that is what I'm going to be applying on my or as my teeth. So I applied some black face paint on my lip line, on my inner lip line. Then now I'm going in with my Prozade cream adhesive, and I'm just going to apply that all over where I want the gem teeth, where the gem teeth should be. So I'm just going to apply that there. So now once I'm done applying that teeth, to further represent the midnight sky, I took this reference picture of the internet of a wolf howling on a full moon. So yeah, because I didn't want my forehead to just be plain, I wanted to add something, another element of midnight to it. So yeah, I drew this wolf howling at the moon. So yeah, it was really stressful, like drawing this like the wolf and everything. I'm so sorry, like I had to like jump or skip, like most of it I did off camera because I kept cleaning, adding. Like face paint is hard, it's not easy. Like you stay hours and I started getting tired, like oh my god. But anyways, I'm really happy and I love how it turned out. But yeah, so anyways, I'm just adding some shadowing into the moon because when you look at pictures of the moon, it has some dark spots and all that. So that's basically what I am doing. Once I'm done with that, I'm just going to add some black like to enhance the moon or to make it pop more. I'm just going to add some black shadowing around the moon area. So off camera, I highlighted my under eye with some foundation. Then the rest of my face that didn't have any makeup on, I put some makeup on, and boom. So guys, I made all this like headpieces and everything, and yeah, I'm sorry I didn't show all that to you guys, but hopefully I will try to do that next time. But I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you all tomorrow for day 2. Bye.